In this lesson, we'll learn how to find the derivative of x squared using the power rule. We're given a function, f of x equals x squared, and we want to find its derivative. First, let's recall what a derivative represents. The derivative of a function tells us the rate at which the function changes as its input changes. The derivative is defined as the limit of the difference quotient as h approaches 0. Now, let's apply the power rule to find the derivative of x squared. The power rule states that if f of x equals x to the n, then f prime of x equals n times x to the n minus 1. Applying the power rule to our function, we get f prime of x equals 2 times x to the 2 minus 1, which simplifies to 2x. In conclusion, we found the derivative of x squared using the power rule. The derivative of x squared with respect to x is 2x.